Hi guys, I was just sitting doing my thing today. What I normally do on weekends is sit down, look at my charts, see what I did during the course of the week, the trades that I won, the trades that I lost, why did I lose, why did I win. Then I also look at what's probably coming up in the next few days. Which trade setups should I look for, and things like that. I work a full-time job, 9 to 5. So during the week, I do not have enough time to sit down and analyze charts and things like that. So I try to do that on weekends. Then during the week, from Monday to Friday, I'm just following up on what I think or thought I saw during the weekend. So today I saw what I think is a good setup. If you are using the tools and systems, this system that I showed you in the previous videos, look for the videos and download these things. They are for free. I did try and find them for you. I know some people will charge you a couple of $100 or I don't know for things like this. I found them online for free. Do they work? You be the judge. But what I think is there is some potential in the system. Perhaps one of you or somebody watching this video is going to come up with a better way than how I am using them. But I think they have potential of spotting market opportunities. So like here, this is USD JPY. I think this is a good setup, a potential setup for anyone this week. I'm not saying go ahead and jump right into this trade. But what I'm saying is I see a potential setup here. There's arrows, those arrows, this red arrow, this uh, lemon whatever arrow, and this yellow arrow. And if you see my color candles, moving average is right there, it's right there. But if you notice, we are at currently it's a support, which I think is not going to hold. Why do I think it's not going to hold? Because this is a major resistance level. If you slide your screen to your left, you see price previously came to this level and it dropped or did a pull up and wham, it dropped. How many pips? From here, or let's start from the second touch, that's round about 182 pips drop. If you held the trade and did not let go up to here when it rebounded, you could have collected nearly 200 pips. This is on the 1 hour time frame. If you are going to check your charts, with which I think you should. If we go back again to the left, you can see price seems to be failing to break this zone. It's a solid zone, at least for now. Don't, or if on Monday, I'm not a prophet. If on Monday price suddenly breaks this zone, don't come back and throw me and say, you predicted that it's going to fall, it didn't fall. Guys, in the market, anything can happen. But what I'm simply saying is, this coming week, I think you should watch USD JPY at this zone where it's at. There is a chance that it has come here, previously came here, failed to break the zone, dropped, came up, failed again, dropped, came up, failed again, it dropped, came up, failed again, it dropped, came up, not even kept to the zone, dropped, came up again. By this time, the traders were tired, and massive drop. Then we reached support here, and it shot up. Now we are at the zone again. Guys, what do you think is going to happen? Of course, we are not prophets. We don't know what's going to happen, but there is a chance here. I'll say, because I don't want you guys to say, yeah, you said this and then this happened. If price on Monday comes, or on Tuesday, Wednesday comes back and breaks this zone. But what I'm saying is, there's probability, there's a probability that price come this week is going to break out of here and come back, perhaps here, I don't know. But there's a chance that perhaps on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's going to reverse and test this zone again and go down. Or it's going to test this zone for some days, probably this whole week. It's going to test this zone. Who knows? Or perhaps somebody do come and say, hey, there's a W forming here. One leg here, and perhaps another leg there, maybe another one here. Then it's preparing to break the zone. Well, I don't know. But what this system is saying to me is, there is good potential that the market wants to go down. Is it going to do it on Monday? Is it going to do it on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? I don't know. If I look to the left here, price spent how many days? From 13th of December up to the 27th of December. It was trying to break this zone. So what's going to happen? Is price going to drop this week? I don't know. But what I am sure of with these arrows, what I'm sure of is that there is potential. You see those blue dots? Those are my weekly resistance dots. They show me where price ended that week. You can see it extends to December. So, and this It's another, all these indicators I gave you guys. Just check the download links in the previous videos. This is a supply demand indicator, this dark one. It denotes where there's strong resistance and support. It's just my colors. Usually it's blue and red or yellow or something like that, but I prefer to just make it darker so that I can see better. So to me, this is a strong resistance area for now. For me, this is currently a strong resistance area. So I'm hoping, I'm thinking price will again, like it did previously, will fail to break this zone and fall off. Is it going to happen like that? Who knows? The purpose of this video is watch USD JPY. This week, maybe the following week, maybe that other week, guys, watch USD JPY. Something's about to happen with USD JPY. Either it's going to fall down after failing to break this zone, or it's going to reverse and break this zone. When it breaks this zone, guys, because it's a major resistance area, when it breaks this zone, guys, it's going to shoot. That's what usually happens. This is a major resistance. It's like a wall. If price chooses to break this zone, it's going to take off. There is still a chance that the market makers, because they know you guys are getting ready to sell USD JPY. Also on Friday, if you notice, NFP USD fell down and things like that. So sentiment on the dollar might be on the downside. You do your googling and stuff, catch the sentiment of the US dollar. If it's down, then people are going to be selling the US dollar versus the Japanese yen this week and in the coming weeks. What that means is, what these arrows are saying is, it's going to go down, and it will go down. If it breaks, watch that it's not the market makers who are taking out stops, because people are going to come and put their stops here, some here, some here, and then it's obvious to the market makers. Once people start selling here, there's going to be a cluster of stop losses here. What they will do is they'll spike the price up. Usually they go up to 30 pips. They know people are taught to place stop losses at 30 pips. So probably they'll spike it up here, or who knows, up here, who knows. Immediately when they clear these stop losses, you'll see price drop down. But if price breaks this zone and breaks it with force, what you want to see usually is price breaking the zone with a massive candle like that one. If it breaks this zone with a huge candle and you wait you don't enter, and it comes back here or even here, but doesn't go down, and comes here and starts showing signs of exhaustion, and then you start noticing that there is more movement toward this side, then you know, guys, it's going up, and it's after this it will shoot up. uh, it doesn't mean that when you see this candle, this might not be the candle, it's just an idea, that you immediately jump in. It might be the market makers taking out stops. So if you jump in here and buy, you are going to be trapped here, and price will go down. They do that, the market makers. They know how to mess with, especially rookie traders. They know how to mess with emotions. So if you are quick on the trigger, you'll be trapped this side. If you are quick on the trigger, they might trap you this side. So these coming weeks, what I think you ought to do is to watch what's going to happen. I am not saying sell. I'm saying there is potential that we are going to see more selling of the dollar versus the yen, going down, maybe going down up to here, or maybe going down straight to the previous support. Now, why do I have confidence that this thing is probably going to drop, besides this support level that has been holding since December? This is the 1 hour chart. If you go onto the 4 hour chart, you see it's getting clearer now. See, price is moving away from this channel. All these indicators, they are on the blog. You just have to find them, and I'm going to do another video of the settings that I've used here. I'm not saying those are the perfect settings, it's a start. So you can see here, price is moving from the channel. If you check to your left, it has previously done that. This zone, guys, it's a strong zone. Did that, came back, went back to the zone, couldn't break it. Tried on these occasions. It tried on these occasions, couldn't break this zone. And eventually, people gave up. Price dropped. Then reached the end of the channel, and price shot up. Now, what's going to happen? Probably it's going to do the same thing again. Say here. Probably it's going to do the zigzags again. Or like I've said, it's probably going to just drop straight. Or it's going to break this zone. And who knows? But there is potential that is going to go down. On the 4 hour, there is potential of it going down. On the 1 hour, there is potential for going down. We go to a higher time frame, the daily.